Hello guys, let us start with the topic significant figures. In previous class, we discussed the significant figure, some rules of significant figure, also the addition and subtraction of significant figure. Okay, so in this lecture, we need to discuss the multiplication and division of significant figure. Same rule is here. We need to round off the final answer. We need to round off the final answer up to the least precise number. For example, if we are going to multiply 2.342 into 0.011, okay, so in answer, what is our correct answer? We need to round off our answer. We need to round off the significant figures up to the 2 digit. Means in our answer, at least 2 significant figures are there. In our answer, we have at least 2 significant figures. Okay, means the answer should be 2 point something. If it is 2.4, 2.3 dash dash dash, then we round off the answer is 2 point something. If it is 2.3, okay, because the least is 2. These zeros are not counted in significant figure. So the answer of this 0.011, how many significant figure are there in this? It has 2 significant figure. So if we round off our answer at least 2 significant number, 2 precise significant number. Okay, I hope you got my point, you understand my point. So I told you the round off the significant figure according to the rule. In addition and subtraction, or in multiplication and addition, if we have an question like this, 2.3 into 4.2 divided by 2. Okay, 2.01, 2.02, 2.03. So whatever your answer, whatever your final answer, you need to round off your answer up to the least precise number. Least precise number is 2.3. Means in our answer, at least 2 significant figures are there. In addition and subtraction, we round off the number with least number after decimal. Okay, remember these points. In addition and subtraction, we round off the significant number after decimal up to the least number. Whatever the number is present after decimal in all the figures, it is least. But here in the final answer, we have at least 2 significant figure, because in the complete process, the least number of significant figures are 2. So we have 2 significant figures in our answer. If there are more significant figure than 2, so we need to round off the significant figure, because as you know that in division or in multiplication, the decimal also should place at the place in the question. Okay, if we have 2.3, okay, or 4.232, so we have at which place we have the decimal, counting these numbers. So for multiplication and division, you need to remember this point. In the final answer, we need to round off the significant figure up to the least precise number. Means what are the least count of significant figure, least number of significant figure. If we have 4 number, okay, and we are going to do multiply or divide these number, or divide and multiply these number. One number has 4 significant figure. Second number has 5 significant figure. Third number has 7 significant figure. And fourth number has 2 significant figure. Okay? Mark my words. Okay? If we are going to do multiply or divide 4 numbers. One number has 5 significant figure. Second number has 6 significant figure. Third number has 7 significant figure. And fourth number has 2 significant figure. So in multiplication and division, what should we do? In the final answer, we have at least 2 significant figures. Means in our final answer, we have only 2 significant figure. If we have more than 2 significant figure, then we need to round off the significant figure up to the 2 significant figure. Okay, But in the addition and subtraction, if we have three number and we are going to do addition or addition followed by subtraction, okay, in one number we have 4 digits, in second number we have 3 digits, and in third number we have 2 digits, or we have also 3 digits. So 4 digits, 3 digits and 3 digits again. So what is our answer? Means after decimal, in addition and subtraction we need to check after decimal. The answer should be according to the least number of significant figure only after decimal. Okay, so there is a difference between the rule of addition and subtraction and also multiplication and division. Here I told you about the round off significant figure. Now I told so many times round off this, round off this. So here I have 3 rules for rounding off the significant figure. First rule is, if the dropping number, if we are going to drop any number, suppose 4.325, okay, so if we are going to drop the number this, so if the number is more than 6, number means what number which we are going to drop. If the dropping number or the number which we are going to drop is more than 5, then drop the number after adding 1 in the previous number, or after having 1 the preceding number. Preceding number में 1 add कर देंगे. कब 1 add करेंगे? When the dropping number is more than 5. Okay, when the dropping number is more than 5, then drop the number after adding 1 in the preceding number, the number which is present just before the dropping number. So what is the answer? The answer is, if we are going to take the example 4.326, okay, 4.326, because we drop this number and add 1 in this number. As per the rule, if the dropping number is more than 5, then drop this number by adding 1 in the preceding number. Second, if the number is less than 5, if the number is less than 5, then drop the number without increasing any number. Okay, if it is 4.321 and we need to drop this number, so what is the answer? 4.32, because the dropping number is less than 5, so no need to add any number into the preceding number. There is a condition, if the number is equal to 5. If the number is equal to 5, then see, this is very much important. Okay, if the number is equal to 5, this is 5, this is 5, and if the preceding number is even, if the dropping number, before the dropping number, the preceding number is even, then drop the number without adding any number, without adding any number into the preceding number. I repeated again, if the dropping number is equal to 5 and the preceding number, means dropping number से just पहले वाला number, if the preceding number is even, then drop the number without adding anything. Okay, if the preceding number, means the number just before the dropping number, is odd number, then always drop the number by adding 1 in this number. Okay, so we have two conditions for if the number is equal to 5. If the dropping number is equal to 5, then we have two conditions. If the dropping number is equal to 5 and preceding number, means the number present just before the dropping number से just पहले वाला number even है, तो हम इस dropping number को drop कर देंगे without adding any number. Okay, if the preceding number is odd, then we drop this number by adding 1 into the preceding number. Got my point? So these three rules are very much important for the rounding of significant figure. So you need to study deeply, do try questions for significant figures, and in next class we will discuss the next topic, that is laws of chemical combination. Thank you.